Okay, so I'm sharing this video to show you how beautiful the yard and garden can be after you've had some rain from the hurricanes and the storms. And I hope you can just see this. Everything is blooming, sort of desert scape with minimizing water consumption. Obviously it's key because we live in the desert. But yeah, look at these beautiful plants. Everything is just springing into life. It's really something. And plants that haven't had flowers before are suddenly starting to bloom. So if we look over here, we've got some cute little flowers coming out here. Yeah, we've been very lucky. No really big hurricanes so far, but some really much needed agua para el jardín, and just blooms of colour here. So it's always good to get some expert advice when you're putting in your yard and your plants, because obviously it's very different dirt here and it does need some special care and attention. But yeah, look at these beautiful desert roses. So there you go, that's a little garden, a little yard in Los Barriles.